Hello, this is my Samsung washing machine, model WF9904RWE, 9kg wash load, and I've had it for just over 5 years because the Dyson washing machine that I had previously unfortunately broke, so I had to get rid of it. But this Samsung washing machine's been brilliant. I haven't put any videos of it on YouTube before, but I'm going to do now. It's doing its main wash cycle now. And as you can tell, it's not making any noise because it's got a direct drive motor. Just like my stepdad's LG washing machine. You know, I put videos of that on YouTube 9 years ago. So it's about as quiet as that. Because that's got a direct drive motor. And this is about as quiet. Although it's got a bigger drum. His only holds 7 kilos, mine holds 9. Although the figures are both quite optimistic. His actually holds a maximum of about 5.5, 6. Mine actually holds a maximum of about 7. But manufacturers, you know, they tend to, you know, put, you know, optimistic figures, you see. So, but anyway, it's a really good machine. It's gone over 5 years now, and now it's gone wrong with it so far. So, fingers crossed it'll last quite a while longer. I'm not going to make the videos too long, only about 4 minutes each, but I'll be doing a few of them, so tell the door's very big. Yeah. About 1 hour and 13 to go. I'm just having a nice cup of tea as well. Can't beat a nice cup of tea. Yeah, I shall film interim spin next. Okay, back soon.